Welcome back to another e-filing training where we give you helpful tips on basic document preparation and also answer some of our more common e-filing questions. I'm Chris with Green Filing, and for this episode, we are going to talk about how to merge separate PDFs into one. But before we begin, I would like to point out that I am not an attorney, and the information I am providing here is not legal advice, nor is it intended to be. Please always check your local court rules, general orders, or FAQs regarding specific e-filing guidelines, as they may vary. For our viewers watching this training on our YouTube channel, we will also have step-by-step written instructions on our help site, efilinghelp.com, and I have placed a link for you in the description below. So for today's episode, merging documents. There are a few instances when an attorney may need to merge their documents into one PDF. Times like that would be if an attorney does not expect a separate file stamp for a document. You may then add that document to the end of your lead document. Some courts will vary on this preference, so if you have any specific questions, once again, please reach out to your specific court to advise on their preference. Another reason you might need to merge documents is that a client has returned your documents to you page by page, meaning you have a form that is 7 pages long and they have given you 7 separate PDFs. You will want to merge each of those into its own single PDF, or the filing clerk is going to reject that as well. If you find that you have multiple files for an exhibit, such as documents, spreadsheets, images, email attaches, anything like that, you might want to consider condensing them into one PDF as well. It is very easy to merge these documents into one PDF, and for today's example, we will be using Adobe Acrobat DC, which is the court's preferred program for PDF document creation. So in our example, you will see that I already have 4 documents open, an answer and 3 subsequent sample documents. These will be what I will want to combine into one. You do not have to open them beforehand to combine them, but it is a preferred way just to make sure you know what documents you have and what you are going to combine. To begin, you may either click the Tools link on the upper left to bring up all of your tools, or if you already had your right toolbar open, you may select it from there. You are looking for combined files, either in the right menu or in the middle. This will bring up a screen that will give you the option of either adding files that aren't open or adding the open files. Since I already have my 4 documents open, I'm going to click Add Open Files, and you will see that it brings a pop-up of all of my selected documents. You have the option of selecting them individually by clicking Shift and the documents you want, or opening it up with them already open will automatically select all documents. So click the Add Files button, and you will see all your documents come open in this main screen. Now you're going to want to reorder them because you need to have the first page, your lead document, the one that already has the caption page with all your case information on it, and then you will reorder each of the subsequent pages by clicking it and dragging and dropping it into the order you wish. Once you have all of your documents in order, you will then want to click the Combine button on the upper right, and you will see that a new tab opens. You may then save this as under a specific document name by clicking File and Save As, and then go to the location on your computer where you save it with the file name you desire. You also have the option of scrolling through each of the pages in the top center to make sure these are in the order that you wish. You may further bookmark it if you so desire by clicking the bookmark link on the left. Or you have the option on the right of clicking Scan in OCR just to make sure all of your pages are text searchable. Well, that is it for today's episode. You may find more helpful tips on our YouTube channel or visit our support site over on efilinghelp.com. Until our next installment, everyone have a great day and thank you for watching.